Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Allied School YouTube channel. This video is for prep class. In this lesson, students are introduced to the numbers 1 to 20. By the end of this video, students will be able to bundle or group 10 things together. No place value, no tens and ones. Yes, first we do counting practice 1 to 9. How many cubes are there? Count and say. 1, you are right. How many cubes? 2, you are right. How many cubes are there? 3. Yes, you are right. Yes, count. 4. Yes, you are right. 4 cubes. How many cubes are there altogether? Count. 5. Very nice. How many cubes are there altogether? Count. 7. No. 6. Yes, you are right. 6 cubes. How many cubes are there altogether? 7. Yes, you are right. How many cubes are there altogether? Count and tell me. 8. Yes, you are right. Spell 8. Yes, spell 8. E-I-G-H-T. Yes, right answer. How many cubes are there altogether? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yes, 9 cubes. Yes, students, now you have to learn place value. I am going to discuss about tens and ones. For learning place value, parents are requested to arrange one of these objects. They can be available easily at home. Your child can understand the concept easily. Look at, they are wooden sticks, they are ice cream sticks, they are cotton bud, they are pieces of chalk, straws, color pencils, toothpicks, rubber bands. You can use them. How many sticks are there? Count and say. Yes, students, tell me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You have 9 sticks. Students, if I add 1 sticks more. Yes, tell me, how many sticks are there altogether? 10. Yes, you are right. Yes, student, let's tie them together with a rubber band. What will happen? We get a bundle of 10 sticks. Yes, we get a bundle of 10 sticks. We can say it 110. You know, we have no more loose sticks. We have no more loose sticks. It means 110 but no ones. 110 but no ones. They are 10 ones. You know, 10 ones make 110. Yes, 10 ones make 110. Remember, 10 ones make 110. How many tens? In 10, 1. How many ones? No one. 0. 0 means nothing. Yes, look at this picture. How many tens? 1. And how many ones? 1. 110 and 1 1. You know, 110 and 1 1 make 11. Yes, you are right. 11. How many tens? 1. How many ones? 2. 110, 2 ones. You know, 110 and 2 ones make 12. Yes, you are right. 12. How many tens and how many ones? 110 and 3 ones. 110 and 3 ones make 13. Yes, you are right. Yes, tell me how many tens? 1. And how many ones? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 ones. 110 and 4 ones make 14. Yes, you are right. How many tens? Only 1. How many ones? 5. Yes, you are right. 110, 5 ones. 110 and 5 ones make 15. Students, you can learn place value with the help of blocks. Let's see. Yes, look, this is the pile of blocks. This is a pile of blocks. It is called 110. Yes, look at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And I have told you 10 ones make 110. So this is 110 and this is ones. Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 ones. You have 110 and 6 ones. 110, 6 ones, and you know 110 and 6 ones make 16. Now you do. How many tens? 1. And how many ones? 7. Very good. 110 and 7 ones make 17. You are right. How many tens? 1. How many ones? 8. Yes, 110, 8 ones. 110 and 8 ones make 18. Yes, tell me how many tens? 110. Very good. How many ones? Count. Yes, you are right. 9. 110 and 9 ones make 19. Well done. Well done. Oh, look at these cubes. How many cubes are there altogether? Count them. Hurry up. I'm waiting for your answer. 20. Very nice. If we make one group of 10 and we pile and we get 110. Yes, 10 ones make 110. I have told you 10 ones make 110. It is called 110. Make another group of 10s. 10. Now 10 ones make 110. 110. How many ones? Altogether 20 ones. You know 20 ones make 2 tens. 110 and second 10. 110, second 10. How many tens are there altogether? 2 tens. Yes, do this activity. This is last activity of this video. Number 3, number name THREE3. How many tens? No tens in 3. Ones, 3 ones. 8. Spell. Yes. How many tens? No 10. And how many ones? 8. 11. Tell me spelling of 11. ELEVEN. Very good. And how many tens? 1. Yes, look at here. 110. And how many ones? 1 1. Yeah, this is 14. Number name? FOURTEN. 14. How many tens? 1. And how many ones? 4. 18. Spell 18. Yes, you are good. 110 and 8 ones. The last one, 20. How many? First tell me spelling of 20. TWENTY. And how many tens are there in 20? 2 tens. And no ones. 0. Now my lesson has been completed. Thanks for watching this video. Jazakallah. Salam.